Okay, guys, I just wanted to give you an update on the upcoming class on December the 13th through the 17th for the appliance training only. And also, for those that do the business side, you will have one extra day. The seats are filling up fast. We do have seats available. And as you can see on this page right here, what we're offering. So if you want to just click on that page, it'll tell you what's included in the classes. I also want to go to the training schedule. And in the training schedule, there are a few ways that you can purchase the course, or excuse me, the training. And this is the first class right here, which is the 13th through the 17th of December. Click on the register button. You can click on the deposit, which is $250, as long as you pay the balance before the class starts. And then the remaining classes, which we will start doing 2 classes a month, starting January the 10th through the 14th, 24th through the 28th, February, and I've listed up until March. But I also want to mention there are a lot of bonuses in this course. You don't just get the hands-on training, but you also get the online course that we offer based on what hands-on training package you selected. If you selected the appliance training only, you get the fundamentals, but you might as well say a $500 value with the fundamentals. And for you guys that don't know what's included in the fundamentals, you get everything, all of the appliances in this course: washers, dryers, refrigerators, dishwashers. You get the tools test. This is the course syllabus. You get all of that, and then you get stoves, ovens, microwaves, dishwashers. And I'll do a separate video later on our fundamentals course. You get a free appliance training manual that we mail to you. Right now, for those of you that join, and you will be grandfathered in, you also get the lifetime membership with the lifetime updates. So that means after you finish the hands-on in-person training, you will be automatically enrolled into the online course. You also get live tech support through this course. So when you get out there in the field and you need some help, we will be there for you. But I must say, guys, this course is detailed. Our online appliance training courses are about 95% step-by-step videos. There are a lot of guys I never hear from. They take the course, they get out there, and they start their business. A lot of them, a lot of complete newbies are making over 6 figures. Now, I always put a disclaimer here. You may not be that guy or girl that want to make 6 figures. But whatever you want to make, it is there for you. We teach you everything from A to Z, and you will constantly get updates throughout the online course. Now, also, there are 2 courses we're offering right now: the training only, and also the Start Your Business plus the training, what we call Business Pro. Now, this course is where the guys will do an extra. Most likely it's just going to be a half a day, unless there are a lot of questions or guys need more help. With that additional day, we recommend that you bring your own laptop, because we're going to set up a lot for you: websites, advertising, a lot of things that go into the business side that you're going to want to use. Don't forget, guys, we do offer you a free 15-20 page website. We install it, we create it, we set it up, we host it, we maintain it, we optimize it for your area for 3 months for free. After the 3 months, You can take your website with you, or you can leave it with us, let us do all the work for you, and it's only $50 a month, no contract. That's up to you at the end of the 3 months. The reason we do that, when you're starting out with your own business, you've got enough things to deal with, to learn, especially if this is the first time you've had a business. So we try to eliminate as many problems or tasks that you don't want to deal with. We've also went to a management software that you'll learn about in the course. So with our hands-on training, we're going to take a day at a time to teach you about the fundamentals, washers and dryers, and we've got plenty of appliances. If you haven't seen the first video that shows you, we can get as many appliances as needed. So you will be able to disassemble, troubleshoot, reassemble top load washers, front load washers, dishwashers, microwaves, garbage disposals, refrigerators, stoves, oven, electric dryers, electric stoves, gas stoves. You're going to be able to put your hands on everything. And because it is a small class environment, you will get all the training we can give you in that 5 days for the appliance training, and then also the 6 days or 5.5 days. We'll find out with this first class how much we need to do for you business guys. Now, I also want to go to the hotels and directions. So what we're offering here is the hotel and directions. The training is in Delaware, and this is the address: 11528 Commercial Lane, Laurel, Delaware. We're about 2 hours south of Baltimore, Maryland. We're going to have a van pick you guys up for those of you that fly in to this major airport right here, which is BWI, Baltimore Washington International. The van will pick you up and bring you to the hotel on the 12th that evening. For those of you that want to stay at one of the hotels we recommend, so far we have gotten an $85 plus tax a night low rate at this Holiday Inn Express in Delmar, Maryland. We also recommend the Hampton Inn, Residence Inn by Marriott, Comfort Inn Suites. So it's a lot of hotels around us. So it's only, majority of them are only 10 or 15 minutes from where we're located. And then again, you'll see the class dates. If you cannot make the December 13th through the 17th, not a great big deal, but get in these classes as soon as you can, because they are filling up mighty fast. And as you already know, with the bonuses we're giving you and the free online, that is a tremendous value. The training is over 500. The business plus the training is valued at $650 right now. So here, if you have some questions that I don't address here, all you have to do is go to our frequently asked question page right under the real hands-on training link, and it'll answer a lot of the times. How our class dates and times are listed below. Do we offer a payment plan? Yes. After training, will you be qualified to start your own business? Unlike most courses, with our course, yes, if that's what you want to do, because we give you everything you need to start a business. What do I need to bring to class? You don't need really to bring anything but yourself and the ability to learn. Now, if you're doing the business plus the appliance training, as I said earlier, I would recommend that you bring your own laptop so we can set up some things for you on the business side. Is the deposit refundable? Yes, up to a point. Do you offer a certification certificate? Yes. What if you do not score 80% on the practice exam? We take care of that. You get all of that up front. What brands and type of appliances do you cover? We cover all brands. all types because we have access to them. So any of those questions that you have, go to our frequently asked question page and we will address them there.